Okay guys, I'm actually going to walk you through how to make a withdrawal with your Bittrex account. So once you get logged in, this is going to be your dashboard that you come to here. As you can see, I have some BTC in here. I do want to withdraw it out of here. I'm going to put it into a different account. So I'm actually going to put the minus sign, which means take out. I have my BTC address here. The quantity I would like it to be is the max, so you can hit this and it'll auto-populate what you have in there. It already takes the fee out, so this is going to be what's there. This is important, this number here, because if you're going into like a cloud mining site, or you're making a deposit to start a SHA-256 contract, or like a script mining contract for cloud mining, when you deposit an amount, it will have fees depending on where it's coming from, COINBASE or wherever. So it's good to pay attention to this actual amount that's going to go through, because this is the amount of BTC that will go there. Because if that's off, it'll get kicked out. I think even if it's higher than what it's supposed to be, it'll get kicked out just for, you know, security. But you want it to be spot on, right? So just pay attention. I actually have this much, but if I were sending a certain amount to someone or making like a deposit on a cloud mining platform, I would want to put this amount right here in BTC so that they're ready to receive this amount, because the fee here, as you can see, is like, I don't know, I think it's like $5 or less than that. But anyways, I'm ready. I'm gonna hit withdraw and let this do its thing, and it's just gonna ask for one more confirmation, just letting me know this address, this is the fee, and this is what I actually get. And then once I hit that, all green lights, withdraw submitted. And within a few minutes I can come back over my Polynex and double check and see if it's actually in there. There usually is a withdrawal confirmation. So if I come over here, this is an email that popped up. It just says, hey, it's just asking me to click this to verify, and it says please click the link below and copy and paste into your browser, confirm withdrawal. As soon as you do it, that's it. Withdrawal confirmation is successful, so I have confirmed, and that's it. I just wanted to show a really quick, even if you update this, it should be, it should show, let's see what it does here. It should show the balance out already and show that I hold like a zero balance in Bittrex. Just give it a second here. Oh no, it didn't go yet, so it's still, well, I guess it's, I don't know if BTC is going up or something, but anyways, so yeah, just in a few minutes, once it gets confirmation, it will be transferred over. That's it, quick video. Bittrex withdrawal.